In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish an indicator in Tradingview. Whether you're a seasoned trader or someone just starting out, learning how to publish a custom indicator can be a game changer. It allows you to share your strategies with the community, test your ideas in real time, and even get feedback from other traders. Tradingview, with its robust tools and PineScript editor, makes this process simple and intuitive. So let's dive in and walk through the steps to get your indicator ready for the world to see. First, open Tradingview in your browser and log into your account. Tradingview is the platform where this entire process happens, so having access to your account is essential. If you don't already have a Tradingview account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Once you're logged in, look for the Products section in the main menu. It's typically located at the top of the screen. Click on it. This area of Tradingview is like the central hub for all of their tools, and it's where you'll find the PineScript editor, which is the heart of this tutorial. Next, from the options provided, choose Pine Editor. The Pine Editor is the tool you'll use to write or paste your custom PineScript code. If you're unfamiliar, PineScript is Tradingview's proprietary scripting language that allows you to create custom indicators and strategies. Now, in the Pine Editor window, paste your PineScript code. If there's any sample code already in the editor, make sure to replace it entirely with your own. This ensures that the script is only reflecting your intended functionality. Take your time here to carefully paste your code, especially if it's lengthy. Before moving forward, it's important to check your script for errors. Tradingview will automatically flag any issues in the code and notify you. If an error appears, don't worry. Simply review the highlighted areas and make any necessary adjustments. This step ensures your script is functional and ready to be published. Once your script is error-free, look to the right side of the editor for the Publish Indicator button and click on it. This is the first step in saving and sharing your script as an indicator. Keep in mind, clicking this button doesn't immediately publish your script. It simply starts the process and gives you a chance to review your details. Now that the script is prepped, you'll want to add your indicator to the chart. To do this, click the Add to Chart button. This step is critical because it allows you to test your script directly on the chart to see how it performs in a live environment. If you notice any issues at this stage, you can always return to the Pine Editor, make further adjustments, and repeat the process. When you're satisfied with how your script functions, go ahead and click Publish Indicator again to continue the publishing process. At this stage, you'll be prompted to enter a name and description for your indicator. Choose a name that clearly reflects what your script does and write a description that explains its purpose and functionality. This is important because it helps other users understand what your indicator is all about. Once you've added the name and description, click Continue. From here, you'll be asked to choose your publishing option. Tradingview offers two main choices for free or regular accounts, private or open. Private keeps your script visible only to you, while open makes it available to everyone. If you're using a premium subscription, you may see additional options like invite only. Select the option that best suits your goals. Before finalizing, fill in any remaining details requested by Tradingview. Double-check everything to ensure accuracy. This is your last chance to make any changes before your script goes live, so take a moment to review. Finally, click the Final Publish button. At this point, your indicator will officially be published and ready for use or sharing, depending on the publishing option you selected. Congratulations, you've just completed the process of publishing an indicator in Tradingview. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.